Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 19 Coordinate Geometry exercise 19.1 question number 11 to 17. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve here question number 11. Plot the points A 1, 2. So here we can write A as somewhere here it will lie. So A is 1, 2 and the point B is minus 4 comma 2. So we can write this will be minus 4 comma 2. Somewhere here it will lie. So this is minus 4 comma 2 and C is here minus 4 comma minus 1. So this will lie somewhere here, or this will be, yeah, this will lie here minus 4 comma minus 1. So this is the point B and this is the point C, minus 4 comma minus 1. Point D will lie 1 comma minus 1. So this will be 1 comma minus 1 will lie here. So this is here 1 comma minus 1 as D. If we join all these lines here, so it will form a triangle here. Rectangle. This will form a rectangle if we join all the points. So these are all the points which we are joining here. Means it forms a rectangle. So here we can write, it is asked that what kind of quadrilateral it is. So ABCD is a rectangle. From the diagram we can conclude. And if ABCD is a rectangle, we have to also find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral we can write, this will be length into breadth. So AB into uh, BC we can write as the area, because we know area is equal to length into breadth of a rectangle. So AB we can find in units. So because distance we can form by distance formula also. So AB we can write under root y x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. So here it will be y2 minus y1, we can write 2 minus 2 as 0 ka whole square plus 1 minus 4 means plus 4 ka whole square. So this will be 5 ka whole square here. So 25 means 5. Distance here AB is equal to 5 from here, and from that only we can find the value of BC. So again y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 will be minus 1 minus 2 ka whole square plus x2 minus x1 means minus 4 plus 4 ka whole square. So this will be cancel out and we will get here minus 3. So minus 3 ka whole square will be 9 and 9 under root will be 3. So here we can write 5 into 3 is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD here. So this we can write 15 square units is the area of this rectangle which is formed by these points. So this is the final answer in this question, and this is the solution of question number 11. Now let us solve your question number 12. Plot the points 0, t 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 2 and minus 3, 0 on a graph paper. Join these points in order and name the figures to obtain and find the area of the figure obtained. So if we join all these points here, so this will form a rhombus and we have to find the area of the figure. So first, because rhombus has an area half into length of diagonals, so this will be, these are the length of diagonal. We can write firstly AC. So AC will be here, this is 2 and there 4 units. So 4 units is the value of AC. Now length of diagonal BD. Length of diagonal BD we can write, this will be 3 units here and 3 units here, means 6 units. From that we can write area of rhombus as half into product of diagonals. This will be 1 by 2 into product of diagonals will be 4 into 6. This will be cancel out and we will get 12 square units as the final answer, means area of the rhombus formed. So this is the final solution of question number 12. Let us solve your question number 13. Three vertices of a square are A 2, 3, B minus 3, 3 and C minus 3, minus 2. Plot these points on a graph paper and hence use it to find the coordinates of the fourth vertex Also find the area of the square. So if we draw here coordinate system, so like this we will draw here. Let this be the coordinate system. We will mark all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3, -4. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. So if we write the value of a2 comma 3 marking, so this will be somewhere here 2 comma 3. So point A is 2 comma 3, point B is -3 comma 3. So this will be somewhere here. So this is -3 comma 3 point B. If you want to point mark the point C, so here we can write -3 comma -2. So this will be -3 comma -2 will be somewhere here. This is -3 comma -2. So this is a square here. So if we want to find the value of D, we can simply write D will be somewhere here, it will lie the point of a square. If we draw the perpendicular here, from here also we will draw a perpendicular and form a square by joining all the 4 points. So this will be D. We can from here we can write a coordinates. This will be 2 comma -2 are the coordinates of D. This only we have to find. We have to find the value of coordinates of the fourth vertex and also find the area of the square. So we know the formula for area of a square as, because we have finded the value of D, fourth vertex. So D is 2 comma -2. This is equal to the fourth vertex of the square here. And the second thing which we have to write is area of the square. So area of a square will be a square here. So a we can write from anyone. If we find the value of AB distance, we will get the value of all the sides. So this will be 3 minus 3 means 0 square plus 2 plus 3 will be 5 ka whole square means 5. So distance is 5. From that we can write 5 into 5 as 25 square units as the area of the square here. So this is the final solution of question number 13. Now let us solve your question number 14. Write the coordinates of the vertices of a rectangle which is 6 units long and 4 units wide. If the rectangle is in the first quadrant, its longer side lies on the x-axis and the one vertex is at the origin. So if we write the coordinates of the vertices of rectangle here, so this will be 6 units long and the longer side lies on the x-axis. So here we can write this is the coordinate of the rectangle here. This will be 6 comma 0 and the 4 units lies on the y-axis. So this will be 4 comma 0 is the vertices here of rectangle. So if we draw from here a perpendicular, we have to draw rectangle from this. So we will join all the points. Here we will get the coordinate as 4 comma 6. So this is the rectangle formed in the first quadrant and its longer side and one vertex is at the origin. So this is the one vertex here 0 comma 0 at O. So this only we have to write. So coordinates of rectangle ABCD, from there we can write this is, let this be ABCD rectangle. Coordinates of rectangle ABCD will be here A we can write as 0 comma 0, B will be 6 comma 0, C will be 4 comma 0 and D will be 4 comma 6 as the coordinate. So this is the final answer of this question. Sorry, this is here D and this is here C. So this the D is equal to 4 comma 0 and C is equal to 4 comma 6. Now let us solve a 15 question. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle with length 6 units and breadth 3 units. If O is the midpoint of AB, then find the coordinates of ABCD. So this is the rectangle here, ABCD. And this is the Y and X axis. So we have to find the value of the coordinates of ABCD. As it is given the length of the this rectangle is 6 units and this is the longest side, so this will be only 6 units here, and the width is 3 units. It is given to us from, and O is the midpoint, it is also given, so we can write these these 3 points will be here. The distance between OA will be 3 and the distance between OB will be 3. And if we want to write the value of the coordinates, so point coordinate A, we can write this is on the left side here, so this will be 0 comma, sorry, minus 3 comma 0 is the coordinate of the point A. If we want to find the coordinate of B, so this will be 3 comma 0. Coordinate of C we can write from here. The distance here is 3 because this much distance is 3 here, so we can write this value as 3 comma 3. So coordinate C we can write as 3 comma 3 because the distance between this is also 3 and this distance between from Y is also 3. So we can write as 3. Now the point D we can write this is 3 and this is also minus 3. So this will be 3 comma minus 3 as the coordinate of D. So this is the final answer. Sorry, this is here minus 3 and this is here 3 because x coordinate is minus here and y coordinate is positive. So now this is the answer of 15th question. Now let us solve here question number 16. The adjoining figure shows an equilateral triangle OAB with each side 2A. So if this is equilateral means this is also 2A, this is also 2A, AO is also 2A and AB is also 2A. Then find the coordinates uh, of the vertices here. So we have to find the value of OAB coordinates. So here O will be 0 comma 0 because it is on the origin. B we can write as 2A comma 0 here. So this will be 2k comma 0 and A will be the altitude here. So if we draw perpendicular from here, it will point on OM and this is the midpoint of OB. So we can write OM as equal to 1 by 2 we can write, or 2 by 2A divided by 2 will be the value of OM here. Sorry, this is OM. And if we want to find the value of altitude here, so that only we can find the value of OA here. If we draw perpendicular, means AM we can find from Pythagoras theorem if we have find it the value of OM, and we know the value of OA here as 2A. So by Pythagoras theorem, applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write here OA का whole square as OA का whole square is equal to AM का whole square plus OM का whole square. OM we know and AM we have to find. So AM square we can write as OA square minus OM square. So this will be OA. We will put the value of OA 2A का whole square minus OM A का whole square. So this will be 4A square minus A square. This will be 3 and A square, and if you take the under root here, AM will be under root 3A. So this is the answer of AM here. AM is equal to under root 3A. So if we find it the value of AM, means the value of y coordinate will be, from here we can write the distance between this point here will be under root 3A. And if we want to write the value here, this will be x coordinate will be here A, half of that, and y coordinate will be under root 3a. So this will be a comma under root 3a as the coordinate of a. So coordinates of the vertices of triangle here OBA. This is the final solution of this question here. Now let us solve your question number 17. In the adjoining figure, triangle PQR here is equilateral. If the coordinates of the point Q and R are 0, 2 here and 0, minus 2 respectively, then find the coordinates of the point P we have to find. So firstly, we will find the value of OP, x coordinate, to find the value of to find the coordinates of P, because here y will be 0 and x abscissa will be only on the coordinate, and we will put ordinate as 0. So this we can write, let this be x comma 0 as the coordinate of P here. Let P as x comma 0. We have to find the value of x here, and if we write the distance between QR, we will get here as 4 units. And this is an equilateral triangle, so we can write this is also 4 and this is also 4. And if we draw perpendicular from the vertex of P, this will be perpendicular, and the midpoint of O here means the distance between OQ and OR will be 2 only. From there we can write by Pythagoras theorem, applying Pythagoras theorem over here, we can find the value of OP here. This forms the height of this triangle here, QOP. So by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle QOP we can write QP का whole square is equal to OQ का whole square plus OP का whole square. So OQ का whole square we can write 2 का whole square. So 2 का whole square plus OP we have to find only, and QP square we can write 4 का whole square. So if we write OP here, OP square will be 4 का whole square minus 2 का whole square. So this will be 16 minus 4. So 12 here. If we take the under root, here, so we can write this as on factors also. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 under root 3 here units is the value of OP here. So if we got the value of OP, means this is only the x coordinate here. So from that we can write the coordinate of P as x comma 0 will be P2 under root 3 comma 0 as the final answer here in this question. So this is the solution of question number 17. This is the last part of this exercise 19. For any doubt queries, you can comment us on the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And keep watching.